Top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in. There are plenty of reasons that support the argument of investing in cryptocurrencies. Many giant corporations have shown keen interest in cryptocurrencies, such as Apple, Google, Tesla, Samsung, Facebook, PayPal, and Deutsche Bank. These names are just the tip of the iceberg, and there are many small renowned players involved in this disruptive technology. Cryptocurrency has transformed itself from being a digital currency to something that is slowly and gradually adopted worldwide for various reasons. If you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2010, your investment would be worth $287.5 million today. This statistic represents the growth potential many cryptocurrencies are holding. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, you must know that top-performing cryptocurrencies have some common traits such as scarcity, divisibility, utility, transportability, durability, and counterfeitability. And among these, utility is the most important trait when searching for a cryptocurrency to invest in. Scarcity is one of the key concepts of economics, and economics has a simple yet fundamental concept of supply and demand. It means that the demand for a good or service is greater than the availability of the good or service, thus increases prices. In mathematics, divisibility is the ability to be evenly divided. Similarly, in economics, it means the ability to easily divide into small increments so that it can match commodity values. Thus, this enables an asset to effectively act as a medium of exchange. If money is not divisible, it becomes hard to buy small items and it becomes difficult to have precise pricing. Utility, as defined according to economics, is the usefulness or total satisfaction from a service or good. Transportability refers to the allocation of resources. Durability refers to an asset's utility over time and doesn't wear out easily. Lastly, counterfeitability refers to the ability to forge counterfeits or copies of the original. Now, you must be wondering, what are the best cryptocurrencies to invest in? Stick till the end to find out. Before we begin, please subscribe and turn the bell notification on. These videos take a lot of time and effort to make. So, I would highly appreciate it if you do. Plus, I'll give random shoutouts here and there. Now let's begin. 1. Ethereum ETH. The first cryptocurrency on our list is none other than Ethereum. The main goal of Ethereum is to decentralize the entire internet, not just the currency. Ethereum stands apart from Bitcoin in its network's ability to do much more than just transfer Ether, which is the virtual coin that powers that network. The Ethereum network is fully programmable, meaning that developers can use it to serve as a marketplace for many different things. And the most prominent is the Decentralized Applications, DApps. Ethereum is considered as the second largest cryptocurrency with respect to market capitalization and volume. By the end of September 2020, the ETH market cap jumped by an enormous 60%, from $25 billion to $40 billion. In the start of 2021, ETH was able to break the $1,000 barrier, and from there on, it has shown great results to its investors. Ethereum is an excellent value for money. The strength of the ETH token correlates with the scale of the network, which means that the token will only move from strength to strength as more DApps and projects are launched on the network. The popularity of NFTs and DeFi products have acted as a catalyst in the price momentum of ETH, and the coming months can untap an excellent potential for the cryptocurrency. 2. Bitcoin, BTC. This brings us to the second most promising cryptocurrency to invest in, and that is Bitcoin. Due to its scarcity, it will continue to be in demand. The supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million, however it's possible BTC's protocol can change to allow more. And data shows that scarcity is the major catalyst that's pushing Bitcoin's price into all-time highs. Bitcoin has complete domination over the crypto market. This means it is the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization and can influence the prices and development of other crypto coins too. Additionally, due to Bitcoin's resilience over the other coins, investors view it as a stable digital currency. Furthermore, it has helped altcoins to gain momentum. Throughout the years, Bitcoin dominated the cryptocurrency market, and as of today, it stands at market capital of $1.7 trillion, which makes about 62% of the total market capitalization. This figure had a decline in numbers from 88% in 2015 due to the rise and introduction of other cryptocurrencies in the market. The pattern of Bitcoin's bull run was somewhat like that of 2017. Due to high volatility, it reached an all-time high of $63,000, which is approximately 3.5 times more than the high of its previous bull run. The first reason for this drastic price increase was the positive media coverage of Bitcoin breaking new highs, causing a buying spree. The final news that caused Bitcoin to reach an all-time high was institutional investors' investments in Bitcoin. With increasing popularity in the financial world, Bitcoin is here to continue to dominate the entire crypto market for a long time. Therefore, it is an excellent decision to include Bitcoin in your portfolio. 3. Chainlink LINK. Next up on the list we have Chainlink. Chainlink was founded in 2014 by smartcontract.com, and the aim was to create a bridge between external data sources and public blockchains. In the following years, the Chainlink network has shown a tremendous upward trajectory and was recently recognized by the World Economic Forum as one of the 100 most promising technology pioneers of 2020. Chainlink is focused on expanding the usage of smart contracts by enabling access to real-world data, events, and payments without sacrificing any of the security or reliability blockchains have become known for. Developers that utilize the Chainlink network pay with the protocol's native token, LINK. Therefore, a token that helps to facilitate the growth of the on-chain ecosystem may also gain prominence over Bitcoin in the coming years. Chainlink has increased nearly 600% over the past year, and analysts predict that the price is yet to explode, hence, making this an important cryptocurrency in the coming months. 4. Cordana ADA. Cordana was launched in 2017, and was seen as a competitor of Ethereum blockchain. Input-Output Hong Kong, IOHK, designed the Cordana blockchain technology, a decentralized company headed by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum. IOHK started its work in 2015, and its main aim was to build blockchains and cryptocurrencies for businesses, educational institutions, and governments. The ADA coin was first offered in 2015 and faced the same ups and downs of the crypto market due to high volatility. In February 2021, ADA reached an all-time high of $1.49, and as of March 2021, their market cap reached a whopping $39 billion. It is essential to consider the supply and demand of ADA to get a clear picture of the future potential in the crypto. There are approximately 31.2 billion ADA coins in circulation, with supply capped at 45 billion. However, 2021 seems to be a promising year for the coin. There are rumors about the introduction of smart contract functionality on Cordana, which will offer developers the options to create and deploy their own decentralized applications, dApps. Due to this rigorous process, Cordana seems to stand out among its proof-of-stake peers as well as other prominent cryptocurrencies. Cordana has also been dubbed the Ethereum Killer, as its blockchain is said to be capable of more. With that said, Cordana is still in its early stages. While it has beaten Ethereum to the proof-of-stake consensus model, it still has a long way to go in terms of decentralized financial applications. 5. Polkadot. The popularity and dominance of Polkadot can be judged from the fact that it has increased more than 360% since the new year of 2021. The startup blockchain is considered a threat to Ethereum, despite being created by Ethereum co-founder, Gavin Wood. There are many commonalities between the two cryptocurrencies, such as they both share the same goal to empower developers to build and share their own dApps. The distinguishing feature of DOT is that it gives developers the ability to create apps that can communicate with other ledgers through a relay chain. Furthermore, Polkadot also has the feature of parachains, which can run a higher transaction due to a more sophisticated design. Many analysts are predicting it to become the next Ethereum as DeFi continues to grow. In the past 6 years, the prices have skyrocketed by more than 1,300%, which helped Polkadot become the 6th largest crypto in the world in terms of market cap. Polkadot is undoubtedly a cryptocurrency that must be on your watch list. DOT is trying to find loopholes in established cryptocurrencies with new and improved features. 6. VeChain, VET. The next coin is VeChain, which is highly undervalued as of today. VeChain is a blockchain management platform that aids in the tracking of products through their supply chains. For maximum security, they record components in a tamper-proof distributed ledger, which simplifies collecting, managing, and sharing important product information with retailers, manufacturers, and consumers. The transparency factor throughout the supply chain helps keep the key stakeholders certifying the quality of their products. There are many supply management softwares around the globe. However, most companies do not have sufficient visibility and insight into their products at any given moment, and this is where VeChain stands out. The older systems analog gaps between systems and enterprises, resulting in fragmented pieces of data. Moreover, the old supply chain systems were designed for large vertically integrated companies with static supply chains. As these software packages are no longer relevant, VeChain provides relevance in the technology sector. VeChain is slowly climbing the ranks amongst cryptocurrencies as it is currently ranked at 16th most popular cryptocurrency. The VeChain's market capitalization is $1.8 billion US. It is predicted that the popularity and demand of VeChain will slowly rise as they are making a lot of new developments. The Singapore-based company focuses its blockchain-based management platform's attention to the luxury goods industry, the agricultural industry, the food, pharmaceutical industries, and municipal government agencies. 7. Harmony. 1. Blockchain scalability is a huge issue in the crypto universe and Harmony is trying to solve it. This project aims to create a fast and open network of nodes operated and governed by a large community. To top this all, Harmony has created a massive ecosystem for the end-to-end transfer of cryptocurrency by incorporating the existing networks that allow you to convert your fiat currency into crypto and vice versa. 8. Origin Protocol, OGN. The Origin Protocol, or OGN for short, is a network that allows the participants in the marketplace to share goods and services through peer-to-peer networks. OGN targets to solve the fundamentals issues of extant online markets such as unfair transaction fees, lack of transparency, and many more. The protocol creates a decentralized ecosystem for both buyers and sellers to facilitate business. 9. Polygon, Modic. You must have your eyes on Modic. Polygon is the first regulated and easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. The fundamental element is Polygon SDK, which is a modular, flexible framework that supports building various types of applications. Modic is the token that is used by Polygon. This is an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain. To top this all, the tokens are utilized for payment services on Polygon and as a settlement currency between users who operate within the Polygon ecosystem. 10. Pancakeswap, Cake. Pancakeswap or Cake is an automated market maker, AMM, and a decentralized finance application. The platform is a Binance Smart Chain-based decentralized exchange, DEX, launched by an anonymous entity or individual. An AMM is different from traditional exchanges. This means that you can trade digital assets on this platform. However, there is no order book where you are matched with fellow traders. In an AMM, you are trading against a liquidity pool, which is simply a bunch of funds thrown together in a large digital pile. It's an essential element of decentralized finance protocols. Before pouring your money into these coins, there are few rules you must follow. If you want to be successful in your investment journey, you must diversify your portfolio. Diversification helps an investor to minimize the risk and maximize the upside potential. Furthermore, it will reduce the impact of market volatility and will help you to achieve your long-term investment goals with ease and comfort. Diversification is a highly debatable topic when it comes to personal finance. Generally, it is good to have 5 to 10 coins. But you can have more. It is just overwhelming to follow crypto projects the more crypto coins you have. Nonetheless, there are disadvantages of over-diversification, such as getting weaker than expected risk-adjusted returns and higher investment fees. To prevent over-diversification, we must keep our portfolio to a manageable level. When considering cryptocurrencies as a long-term investment, many investors face the problem of choosing a suitable investment strategy. Instead of making one single purchase using large amounts of capital, since it'll likely dip even lower, it is arguably better to buy digital assets gradually and build up a position over time. This type of investing strategy is called dollar cost averaging. Other things you need to consider is how much risk you are willing to take. And never invest the money that you can't afford to lose. Do not borrow money to invest unless you are a millionaire or billionaire. Lastly, invest long-term because successful investors are long-term and investments held for longer periods tend to exhibit lower volatility than those held for shorter periods. Now, it's time to follow these simple rules and build a well-diversified crypto portfolio and get back in the investment game. Thanks for watching, and I would love to hear your thoughts.